of course, a very important aspect of this unit as the nomenclature. IUPAC as well as trivial or common nomenclature customs of aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acids was our matter of discussion yesterday. Now then, next aspect which we wish to describe is the methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones and then carboxylic acid. Now let's begin initially with aldehydes and ketones. We have to discuss initially the aldehydes and ketones, their preparation and then their physical and chemical properties. Then we can switch over to carboxylic acid, of course their preparation properties. So yes, now our matter of discussion for today would be the methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. So let's write this aspect, methods of preparation. Methods of preparation of carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes and ketones. The 2-3 methods have been already discussed in 11th standard. If you go through again in the syllabus of the 11th standard in alkenes and alkynes, we had gone through the preparation, and even in 12th standard from alcohol we had prepared the aldehydes and ketones. So let's have a recall of that. So the first method is from alcohol you can prepare, and alcohol can be converted into aldehyde or ketone by making use of which principle or which reaction? It is the oxidation. So by the oxidation of alcohol. Now principle tells you that oxidation of primary alcohol gets you aldehyde and oxidation of secondary alcohol gives you ketone. Oxidation is supposed to be carried out in presence of suitable oxidizing agent. Now if stronger oxidizing agents are employed, then primary alcohol is oxidized to aldehyde and aldehydes can be further oxidized getting you carboxylic acid. So if it is not your subject matter to get up to carboxylic acid state, then mild oxidizing agent is better oxidizing agent. So here, if we want to stop at aldehyde state or at ketone state, then mild oxidizing agent chosen is PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate or pyridinium dichromate. So these mild oxidizing agents are better used rather than making use of acidified potassium dichromate or acidified potassium permanganate or nitric acid. They can be used if you wish to get from alcohol carboxylic acid, right? So by the oxidation, the first method is by the oxidation. By the oxidation of alcohol. Remember, primary alcohol gives you aldehyde. Let's try to have aldehyde then. Aldehyde. So aldehyde is the first oxidation product of primary alcohol. This is oxidation of primary alcohol. Oxidation of primary alcohol. Primary alcohols are characterized by which group? Dash CH2OH. Because primary alcohols are those alcohols in which hydroxy group is attached to primary carbon, right? And primary carbon means the carbon atom which is linked to only one carbon. So that's why characteristic group of all primary alcohols would be dash CH2OH. General primary alcohol can be written like this, RCH2OH. You wish to oxidize, oxidation. Oxidizing agent, as I have told you, is PCC or PDC. PCC or PDC. Gently take. So that you are expected to get RCH2. And you just stop here at aldehyde state, because this is mild oxidizing agent. This is primary alcohol. PCC, this is pyridinium oxidizing agent, OA. Pyridinium chlorochromate. It's a mixture of pyridine C5H5N, pyridine, then chromium oxide CrO3 acidified HCl. So pyridine is a base, as you know, plus HCl, N plus Cl minus and CrO3. This way you can write PCC. It is also called as Collins reagent. Collins reagent. Or you can also make use of PDC. This is PCC. PDC means pyridinium dichromate. PDC. Dichromate, Cr2O7, right? K2Cr2O7 is potassium dichromate. So dichromate ion carries 2 minus charge. You just add pyridinium 2 ions. So then it becomes dichromate, pyridinium dichromate. You can also write pyridinium, C5H5NH plus, NH plus, pyridinium dichromate, Cr2O7. So this agent is better agent. Okay. And here notice that if strong oxidizing agent is used, then primary alcohol is oxidized to carboxylic acid in presence of strong OA. Now which one is strong OA? In alcohols we had gone through it. That acidified K2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7 oblique H2SO4 or KMNO4 acidified, or even HNO3 nitric acid. You can make use of it. So in presence of strong oxidizing agent, primary alcohol, in the first step it gets oxidized to aldehyde, and aldehyde gets further oxidized to carboxylic acid. Dash CH2OH gets oxidized dash COOH. So you are expected to get carboxylic acid rather than aldehyde. So if you are asked to prepare aldehyde only from primary alcohol, then you need to take mild oxidizing agent as PCC or PDC. Right? Then if ketone is to be prepared, remember ketones are prepared by oxidation of secondary alcohol. Oxidation of secondary alcohols. Dash CHOH. Oxidation of secondary alcohols give you ketones. Now ketones, unlike aldehyde, do not show presence of oxidizable hydrogen, and that's why normally ketones do not undergo normal oxidation. They need to perform oxidation drastically, under drastic or violent condition. Then and then only ketones can be oxidized further. So even if you wish to convert secondary alcohol into ketone, then you can make use of even this strong oxidizing agent, because prolonged heating is needed further by for performance of oxidation of ketone. So ketone can be oxidized. The secondary alcohols are supposed to be oxidized, RRCHOH, like this. Okay, undergo oxidation. Now here you can take PCC, PDC, or even you can take into account K2Cr2O7 oblique H2SO4. Heat. Now see, oxidizable hydrogen